How to Become a Digital Nomad, a step-by-step guide to living your dream life. Did you know that by 2035, over 1 billion people are expected to work remotely? Imagine breaking free from the 9-to-5 grind, traveling the world, and earning a living on your terms. Becoming a digital nomad is no longer a dream reserved for the adventurous few. It's a lifestyle within your reach. Let me show you how to make it happen. Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to become a digital nomad. In this video, I'll take you step by step through the process of transitioning to a location-independent lifestyle. Whether you're looking to work from a beach in Bali, a cozy cafe in Paris, or a serene mountain cabin in the Rockies, this guide will equip you with everything you need to start your digital nomad journey. Stay tuned until the end, where I'll share some personal tips and tricks to overcome the biggest challenges digital nomads face. Before we dive into the steps, let's define what it means to be a digital nomad. A digital nomad is someone who leverages technology to work remotely while traveling the world. They often work in fields like tech, writing, design, marketing, and consulting. The beauty of this lifestyle lies in its flexibility. You choose where to work, how long to stay, and how to balance work with exploration. It's not just about working from exotic locations. It's about designing a life that aligns with your passions and values. There are many reasons why people are drawn to this way of living. Freedom. The ability to work from anywhere gives you freedom over your schedule and location. Cultural immersion. You get to experience different cultures, cuisines, and lifestyles firsthand. Cost of living. Many nomads choose destinations where their money goes further, like Southeast Asia or Latin America. Personal growth. Traveling and adapting to new environments fosters resilience and creativity. Before we get to the exciting part, let's address the challenges. Loneliness. Constantly moving can make it hard to build lasting connections. Work-life balance. It's easy to get distracted when you're in a beautiful location. Logistics. Managing visas, accommodations, and time zones can be overwhelming. Financial uncertainty. Freelance or remote work income can fluctuate. Despite these challenges, the rewards of being a digital nomad far outweigh the difficulties, if you're prepared. The first step is identifying what skills you can use to earn money remotely. Ask yourself, what am I good at? Can my current job be done remotely? Do I need to learn a new skill to become location independent? Popular careers for digital nomads include freelancing, graphic design, writing, programming, video editing. Remote jobs, customer support, project management, software development. Entrepreneurship, running an online business, e-commerce, or coaching. If you need to upskill, there are countless online platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning to get you started. Start earning remotely before you hit the road. Here's how. Freelancing platforms. Join websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or TopTal to find clients. Remote job boards. Explore platforms like remote.co, We Work Remotely, and FlexJobs for job opportunities. Online business. Consider blogging, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products. Having a stable income source is crucial before committing to the nomadic lifestyle. Living a nomadic lifestyle means traveling light. Start by decluttering and selling or storing items you don't need. Aim to pack only essentials, including a reliable laptop, lightweight clothing suitable for various climates, travel insurance and essential documents, compact tech gadgets like noise-canceling headphones. The less you own, the freer you'll feel. Picking your first destination can be both exciting and overwhelming. Consider these factors. Cost of living. Places like Thailand, Vietnam, and Mexico are popular for their affordability. Internet connectivity. Make sure your destination has reliable Wi-Fi. Visa requirements. Research visa options for long-term stays. Community. Choose a destination with a strong digital nomad network like Bali or Lisbon. Financial stability is critical. Here are some tips. Save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses as a safety net. Open an international bank account or use platforms like Wise for global transactions. Track your income and expenses using tools like Mint or YNAB. Establishing a routine is key to staying productive on the road. Dedicate specific hours to work each day. Choose co-working spaces or cafes to create a focused work environment. Schedule time for exploration and relaxation. Meet Sarah, a graphic designer who left her 9-to-5 job to freelance. She started by taking small projects on Upwork and now travels full-time, working from her laptop in Greece. Then there's Tom, a software engineer who negotiated a remote work arrangement with his employer and spends winters in Costa Rica and summers in Europe. Loneliness. Join local meetups, co-working spaces, or digital nomad communities like Nomad List. Time management. Use productivity apps like Trello or Asana to stay organized. Health. Prioritize exercise and a balanced diet, even while traveling. The digital nomad lifestyle is more accessible than ever. With remote work becoming the norm and resources available at your fingertips, there's never been a better time to explore this path. Becoming a digital nomad is not just about working remotely. It's about taking control of your life, pursuing your passions, and experiencing the world. It won't always be easy, but the rewards of freedom, adventure, and growth are worth it. Encourage viewers to share their aspirations or experiences in the comments and suggest watching another video about digital nomad hacks or tips for remote work productivity.